How does car title transfer work? Have you ever wondered what happens when you buy or sell a car? Understanding how car title transfer works is essential, especially for teenagers who are stepping into the world of car ownership. Let's break it down step by step. First, a car title is an official document that shows who owns a vehicle. It includes details like the car's make, model, year, vehicle identification number, and the owner's name and address. When you buy a car, the title must be transferred from the seller to you, the buyer. The process starts with a meeting between the buyer and seller. During this meeting, the seller signs the title over to the buyer. This signature means the seller is officially giving ownership to the buyer. Both parties need to fill out and sign the title document. Once this is done, the buyer becomes the legal owner of the car. Next, the buyer needs to take the signed title to the Department of Motor Vehicles or the equivalent agency in their state. This is where the buyer registers the car in their name and applies for new license plates if needed. The Department of Motor Vehicles updates their records to reflect the new owner. There are some additional requirements to keep in mind. The buyer usually needs to provide a valid driver's license or identification. There may also be fees or taxes that need to be paid during this process. If the car was financed, the lien holder's information will be on the title, and that must be handled correctly. If the title is lost, the seller must obtain a replacement title before transferring ownership. For teenagers under the age of 18, many states requiring that the car title must be in an adult's name, like a parent or guardian. This adult will be the legal owner until the teenager reaches the age of majority, usually 18. At that point, the title can be transferred into the teenager's name. This is important because it affects insurance and legal responsibility. If you are receiving a car from a family member, the title transfer process is similar, but it may involve simpler paperwork or tax benefits. The family member signs the title over to you, and you complete the transfer at the Department of Motor Vehicles. Here are some practical tips for teenagers. Always check that the seller has the original title before buying a car. Make sure both you and the seller sign the title correctly to avoid any issues. After the transfer, get car insurance in your name before driving. Keep copies of all paperwork for your records. And if you are under 18, talk to a parent or guardian about how to handle the title and registration. Understanding the title transfer process is key to becoming a responsible car owner. It helps you avoid legal issues and ensures you are properly registered with the state, allowing you to drive your car legally.